y'all, now your girl Asharifia all in one this. Come on, make we cook and chop la. On the menu today, we are going to be making tatale. Yes, so tatale. So sit back and relax and let me show you how I make this mouth-watering tatale. For starters, you are going to need an overly ripe sweet plantain. Now, don't ever throw away your plantains when they get to this stage because there's so many things that you can make with this, huh? So don't throw those away. Alongside my overripe plantain are white corn flour, peppercorn, salt, Scotch bonnet pepper, onions. Now I'm only using a quarter of a small onion and half of a Scotch bonnet pepper. To mash my sweet plantains, I am going to be using a potato masher. Now, they are so soft to the extent where you can use your hand or just a fork. This close to smooth consistency is just perfect for me. That is why I cut up my onions instead of blending or grating it. So when my fritters or my tatale is done, the onions will give it some type of texture. Now I'm just adding my corn flour, salt, chopped up onion, and my crushed or grinded pepper with the peppercorn. I'm adding some palm oil into my mixture to give my tatale some color before it goes into the oil. With my palm oil on medium to high, I am going to go ahead and section my tatale mixture in my palm oil. Now, the traditional way to make tatale is to fry it with some palm oil. But you know, the world is changing nowadays and everybody wants to do something different or eat healthy or whatever you may call it. But you can also use olive oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil, whatever oil you are comfortable with. But the authentic way to make tatale is with palm nut oil. Wait till you see the bottom of your tatale slowly browning around the rims of your tatale. Then you know it is time to flip your tatale. Each side of the tatale should be cooked for about 3 minutes or more, depending on how thick the tatales are. When they are done, rest them on a paper towel just to drain the excess oil. Or if you're having it with beans, there's no need to drain them. We finished cuckoo. Come make we chop a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, share this video, or leave a comment. Just let me know what you think. And if you are going to try this, I would love to hear your feedback.